How to remove Microsoft account from Edge browser. In order to remove your Microsoft account from your Edge browser, first of all open the Edge browser. Wait for a moment until the browser opens, and then you need to make sure to sign in on your Microsoft Edge browser. And then click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then you need to select the gear icon in order to manage your profile settings. And then you need to choose the account that you want to remove. So from this page of your profile, if you see the trust icon, if you click on it also, you won't be able to remove this Microsoft account from this profile settings page. So in order to remove it, you have to go to the start button and search for settings. Open the settings from here. Once you open, at the left panel select accounts and here choose accounts option. Scroll all the way down and under account settings select email and accounts. Now on this accounts used by other apps, as you can see the list of emails or the Microsoft accounts. So you need to select those Microsoft accounts that you want to remove which is linked to your Edge browser. So let's open it as we know that we want to remove this one. So open the settings and select this arrow which is next to that Microsoft account, and you need to click on this remove button, and you need to click on this yes button in order to confirm. Once you have removed that, you will successfully remove that Microsoft account from your Edge browser. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.